So you've heard about secured credit cards for bad credit, but no one tells you the full story. You're told to just put down a deposit, and boom, you'll build credit. But here's what they don't mention. What if you don't have $200 or $300 to lock away as a deposit? What if the card reports late, even when you're on time? What if you're stuck with a secured card that never upgrades or gives you more room? See, secured credit cards can help, but only if you pick the right one. And some of them, they just hold your money hostage while charging crazy annual fees. That's why I recommend checking your options with Super Money first. They'll show you secured credit cards with low deposits, cards that upgrade to unsecured after a few months, cards that report to all three credit bureaus, and best of all, you'll only see cards you're likely to get approved for. This isn't just some list of maybe offers. This is a tool that matches you with secured cards designed for people like you, people who want to rebuild, not get stuck. If you're serious about fixing your credit, a secured card can be the smartest move, but only if you use one that works with you, not against you. Click the link in the description and pinned comment to see your best secured card options now. You don't have to stay stuck. You just need the right tool, and Super Money is it.